Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshya. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important questions which are highly expected to come in SSC exams, FCAT, or any other defense exams. So, without any delay, let's get started and crack it together. Question number 1. The speed of light in vacuum is. So, the answer is option A 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? So the answer is option B, barometer. Question number 3. Sound cannot travel through. So the answer is option D, vacuum. Question number 4. Unit of power is. So the answer is option B, that is watt. Question number 5. Which mirror is used in rear view mirrors of vehicles? So the answer is option B, that is convex mirror. Question number 6. Nuclear energy is based on. So the answer is option B, that is fission and fusion. Question number 7. The SI unit of force is. So the answer is option B, that is Newton. Question number 8. The color of the sky appears blue due to. So the answer is option D, that is scattering of light. Question number 9. Dynamo converts. So the answer is option A, that is mechanical energy into electrical energy. Question number 10. Which law is also known as law of inertia? So the answer is first, that is Newton's first law. Question number 11. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia, that is short sightedness? So the answer is option B, that is concave lens. Question number 12. The boiling point of a water decreases at option B, high altitude. Question number 13. Who discovered X-rays? So the answer is option A, that is Roentgen. Question number 14. Which particle has no charge? So the answer is option B, that is neutron. Question number 15. Which energy is possessed by a body due to its motion? So the answer is option B, that is kinetic energy. Question number 16. Speed of sound is maximum in. So the answer is option D, that is speed. Question number 17. Ozone layer protects us from option B, that is ultraviolet rays. Now chemistry part. Which is the lightest gas? So the answer is option C, that is hydrogen. Question number 19. Rusting of iron is an example of option A, oxidation. Question number 20. Which acid is present in vinegar? The answer is option B, that is acetic acid. Question number 21. Atomic number is equal to. So the answer is option B, that is number of protons. Question number 22. Which metal is used in making filaments of electric bulbs? So the answer is option B, that is tungsten. Question number 23. Which gas is known as laughing gas? So the answer is option B, that is nitrous gas. Question number 24. The most abundant element in Earth's crust is. So the answer is option C, that is oxygen. Question number 25. Which vitamin is synthesized in the body by the sunlight? So the answer is option C, that is vitamin D. Question number 26. pH value of neutral solution is. So answer is option B, that is 7. Question number 27. Which metal is stored in kerosene? So the answer is option C, that is sodium. Question number 28. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Question number 29. Which is the hardest natural substance? So the answer is option A, that is diamond. Question number 30. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? So the answer is option A, that is Lavoisier. Question number 31. The common name of sodium chloride id. So the answer is option C, that is common salt. Question number 32. Which is a noble gas? So the answer is option B, that is argon. Question number 33. Which acid is used in car batteries? So the answer is option C, that is sulfuric acid. Now the biology part. Question number 34. Study of heredity is called. So the answer is option B, that is genetics. Question number 35. Red blood cells are formed in bone marrow. That is option C. Question number 36. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? So the answer is option B, that is vitamin C. Question number 37. Insulin is secreted by. So the answer is option A, that is pancreas. Question number 38. Which organ is called the powerhouse of the cell? So the answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 39. Which blood group is universal donor? So the answer is option C, O negative. Question number 40. Malaria is caused by. So the answer is option B, that is protozoa. Question number 41. Which part of the plant conducts food? So the answer is option B, that is phloem. Question number 42. Human kidney is part of. So the answer is option C, that is excretory system. Question number 43. The smallest unit of life is. Answer is A, that is cell. Question number 42. Disease goiter is caused by the deficiency of dash. So the answer is option A, that is iodine. Question number 45. Which is the longest bone in human body? So the answer is option B, that is femur. Question number 46. Photosynthesis occurs in which part of the plant cell? So the answer is option A, that is chloroplast. Question number 47. BCG vaccine is used against. So the answer is option C, that is tuberculosis. Question number 48. Who discovered penicillin? So the answer is option B, that is Fleming. Question number 49. Which human organ purifies blood? So the answer is option C, kidney. Question number 50, that is the last one. DNA is mainly found in. So the answer is option B, that is nucleus. I hope you like the information provided by me. So we'll meet